Hello champions, I'm back with another amazing powerful video, and today's video I'm going to share with you one tiny habit which can transform you, which can make you truly unstoppable. Okay, and for this let me teach you a success principle which says that success is built on success, and that's where majority of the students they make a mistake. See, if you have to go from 0 to 10, you cannot climb from 0 to 10 directly, but it involves you to progress a little higher every single day, and this is a success principle. So for example, maybe you were studying for 3 hours earlier and you start studying 5 hours now, but still some of the students they don't feel happy about it, they don't acknowledge it, because their aim is to study 10 to 12 hours a day. Okay, and they are like, until unless I reach this target, I will not be happy, I will not be content. For your mind to make you go from 3 hours a day to 5 hours a day, it requires to change your pattern. There's a lot of changes your mind does, and even when the mind does this changes and you don't feel happy about it, you don't feel good about it, then you know what, you're giving a signal to your mind that this is not good, I'm not happy with it. And you know what your mind does? Reverse all the changes and make you go to 3 hours again. And that's why most of the students, they are consistently stuck into this loop, and they keep on playing this boomerang that they start with 3 hours but they reach and they do make a little progress and they again come back. Why are they not able to sustain? Why are they not able to reach a little higher? For a simple fact that they fail to acknowledge their success. So let me tell you, small progress is also a progress. Little win is also a win. And please make sure every single day as you progress, I want you to get into the habit of acknowledging and celebrate your success every single day. Every single day you are doing something new, you are doing something differently, and it's making you better. I want you to take a moment and pat your back. Well done Ayush, you are doing so good. Very well, very well. And if you keep on pushing yourself in a way that you're encouraging and feeling happy and enjoying the process, and then guess what? You are going to become unstoppable, and every single day, with every single step, you are going to achieve your goal, you are going to reach your targets. And in this process, just one more thought, one final thought I want to leave you with. Never let your best become the enemy of better. I know you want to reach over here. I know you want to be this confident, this productive, and this many hours of study. But even if you have come from here, it is something to be grateful for. It is something which calls for celebration. Let's practice this principle. So what I want you to do today is pick a pen and a paper very quickly, and I want you to make a list of all the little progress, achievements and wins that you have got in the last 7 days with us at least. And make sure you write as many things as it comes to your mind. It does not have to be just an academic success ki, okay, I started studying for 5 hours. It can be like, if you feel more happy, then it is a success. If you are spending lesser time with your mobile phone, it is also a success. You are getting more time to spend with your family, then it is also a success. Every single little improvement that you have been through in the last 7 days, I want you to make a note of it, jot it down, and again, make sure you post it in the comments so that I can also celebrate your success and I can feel happy and proud for the amazing work that you are doing. And today we are at day 8 of our 30-day study challenge, and if you have been consistent throughout, then this is your biggest win, and I want you to take a moment and applaud yourself. Well, we are not just gonna do it as a one-time exercise. I want to make sure that this tiny habit becomes a part of your routine. So this is what you have to do from today onward. Before you go to bed, I want you to take a pen and paper and please write down always 5 things which you are grateful for which happened today, or 5 success or 5 little wins that you got, which made you happy. I want you to go with a happy mindset. Don't go to bed like a failure. Okay, if you detox yourself, if you go very happily, and your quality of sleep improves, and it will also help you start your next day with great enthusiasm and energy. One more thing which I want to share with you is that if you don't know, we have this amazing 90-day study challenge workbook. It's a very beautiful workbook which gives you your night routine, morning routine, which toppers secretly follow. And I've curated this book, and this can be your companion for the next 90 days and keep you consistent with your night routine and morning routine. One of the things that we have is what I've told you. Okay, write 5 wins before going to bed. If it helps you, if you like the idea and you would also like to have this 90-day study challenge workbook, then I'm giving you a link in the description. You can go and order one for yourself, and you will receive it in 5 to 7 days. And with this, I'll take your kind leave. I'll see you tomorrow again with another powerful video. Until then, take really good care of yourself, drink a lot of water, eat good food, and think only good thoughts. And no matter what, keep smiling. Your smile is the most beautiful curve on the planet. It's the most precious gift from God. Do not let anyone take it away from you. Wait it for you. Everyone, let's be happy because of the world. Let's be happy despite of the world. Don't worry about your studies. I'm your smart study coach Ayushi Garg signing off. See you tomorrow.